Hello everybody, I'm Andre Bortman and welcome to this video. I just wanted to make a short video about my predictions about AI and the tax industry and where I think things are going. The reason why I think this is an important topic to discuss is because everybody's complaining or worried that AI is going or that they're going to be replaced by AI. And I think that's not the case. I think humans have a very important role to play, but we have to understand what that role is. The first point is the cost of compliance because of AI is coming down. It is very easy to get your answers and to get some guidance from AI to get your own tax return done and even certain elements. So, for example, if you sold a property, you can use AI to calculate the CGT for you. You can use AI to do a rental calc. You can use AI to help you with your logbook. So the cost of compliance is coming down because the grunt work can be done by AI. The grunt work is no longer necessary to be done by a human. Obviously, you need to verify whether the grunt work was done correctly, but on the balance, overall, it is faster to get something verified that was done by AI than having to do it yourself. Second thing is the cost of answers is becoming cheaper. So there's a saying that I like to use, which is if you can Google the answer or you can ask AI for the answer and you can use that answer, then you don't need to pay for the advice. If you need the advice to make decisions, and you can't rely on Google and you can't rely on AI, then you need to pay for the advice. But in general, if you just have a question that you need answered, the cost of those answers, the ones that you can Google easily and the ones that you can easily ask AI for the answer, that cost is also coming down. Usually, if you want to have an answer or a question answered, you would have to ask somebody like me, or you have to book a consultation with a tax practitioner. So the value of easy answers is going down. So the cost of compliance is going down because you can just use AI to get the answer. Or help you with the compliance, with the return, or and also you can get easy answers from by googling it or asking AI. One of the things that makes AI a useful case is you can, if you really need the answer verified or double checked, you can just double check it with a tax practitioner, which gets me to my next point: the value of expertise. Often what you'll pick up is that the answer an AI gives is it's very confident, but it's often confidently wrong, especially if it's a nuanced answer. So nuanced answers requires expertise. And that's what humans have. So a lot of humans who are subject matter experts are better at AI in that specific expertise. So a tax expert is better than AI answering the same sort of tax question. And then the final point here is human in the loop is also more valuable. So anytime that there's something that you need to get done, tax related, even accounting or auditing related, if there is some sort of risk to it, a human needs to sign it off. It's important to get done. It's important that the human takes the fall for it, like an objection or an appeal, or getting this calculation 100% correctly. You need a human to take the fall. You need a human to say, I put my signature on it. That is necessary. It does mean that, let's say the job is 100%, right? It does mean that AI can do 80% of the compliance, and then a human in the loop is only necessary for the last 20%. Okay, so that is where the human in the loop becomes really important. It's the last 20%. So what I'm saying is that tax work is getting democratized. So any platform that uses tech to answer questions or do returns obviously has more value now. And it's also cheaper to use than a tax practitioner who's going to do it by hand. However, when it comes to the value of expertise, actually getting a consultation, etc., and human in the loop, where there's a human required to answer the question or to help with whatever you need to get done, that is where the trust economy is going to become really, really, really valuable. I think the value of a human increases where the AI cannot take responsibility for whatever it answered or did. So my prediction for the tax industry going forward is that AI and automation is going to cheapen compliance even more. It's going to become even cheaper and easier to do compliance yourself, or to use tech and AI and automations to get the compliance done. And so the idea of many tax returns being done by humans, that is no longer going to be a moat. I don't think tax returns done by human beings for many people in a company is going to be as valuable as advisory, simply because of auto assessments, but also it is easier now for people to get their returns done almost 90% or 100% of the way using AI tools. And then they just need a human for the last sign off. But the real value in the tax industry, and this is going to apply in many sort of financial fields, is where you need a professional designation to get this over the line. AI in its current state cannot have a professional designation. It cannot take responsibility. It can't represent you in court. So those type of things, whilst humans can still get those things, are going to become very valuable. And that's why I say valuable advisory. So where what you say is trusted. So trust economy, I think the trust economy is completely undervalued, because the trust economy is built on humans, right? You can trust an AI, but you still, if it's a high risk question or high risk thing that you need an answer to, then you're going to ask a human to verify. If it's got a high risk, so there's a lot of money involved, there's a lot of decision makers involved, that is where humans become more valuable. And also, if you need a human input into whatever you did on AI, then that is where, again, the human becomes really valuable. So my prediction is, I think cost of compliance is going to come down. The ease of being able to do your own return is going to become easier over time. And that means if you're studying tax, if you are in the tax industry or you're in the accounting industry, becoming a tax practitioner, getting that certification, getting the things that signifies trust is going to be really important, because we already know that grunt work is already being replaced by, the grunt work element is being replaced by AI. And so being able to use human discernment is the thing that's going to become more and more valuable over time. And we already know, I mean, I can already say that AI gets me 80% of the way there with a lot of answers. It's just that last 20% to get it over the line. And really, so anyway, so that's the video. Everybody who's studying tax, good luck. And yeah, you are going to be valuable, but in a different way. And I don't think it's going to be in compliance. Cheers.